You probably don't know, but you can make your own AI app in just 3 minutes in AutoRune without even vibe coding. And here's how. We'll be making a citation extractor that takes a screenshot and uses AI to extract its title and generate citation code. 3, 2, 1, action. We'll start with a shortcut trigger node that registers a keyboard shortcut. Then let's take a screenshot. We'll use a variable to track whether the AI has finished generation. At the same time, we want to start sending the AI request and show the UI. Now let's write the prompt for the AI. It will take the screenshot as input and generate the title and bibtext citation code. Now let's head to the UI. We'll use a row to show the image on the left and results on the right. Let's use an if to make sure that we only show the results when they are ready and show a placeholder otherwise. Finally, don't forget to set ready to true after the AI completes its work. And that's it. Challenge complete. Now let's test it. Perfect. I can even directly copy the bibtext code from here. Now, don't you also have a task that's just boring and repetitive? Leave it in the comments and let's see if we can automate it in AutoRune, or even better, join our beta testing and try it yourself. Just visit our website at autorune.ai. You can also join our Discord channel to chat with the developer. Links are in the description. I hope to see you soon.